Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change hotspot password on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on more connections. Now from here, just tap on hotspot and tethering. Now from here, just enable Wi-Fi hotspot. Now once you enable Wi-Fi hotspot, just tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now from here in the hotspot password section, you can change the password of your hotspot. Just like that. Now once you change the password, just tap on OK to set your new password. And this is how you can change the hotspot password on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.